I hope you're doing fine. So let me give you a demonstration about this project. So first of all, you will see this journal. Here you will enter your code. You will enter the date. Okay, you can enter the date just like that. For whatever the month you are entering date, you can enter first of that month. Okay, if I want to enter date for any other date, I will enter April 1st 2025. Okay, just enter this date. I will enter now the code 029. Okay, 029 is the code, so let it be a text. Then I can enter whatever the data that is there. Okay, and keep on doing that. I can basically erase it. It's like this. So this is all the data that you are doing automatically. This is the status column, the status basically column. Do not do anything here. It will be calculated on auto, or it can be hidden. No need for that. When you have made some new entries, you will enter your payout. Whatever your payout is, you will enter payout. You will enter the date, fund, amount, etc. Then let me give you demonstration about this in the pivot as well. So in the starting, your start dollar is $10,000. For example, it will come from it will come here in the month of January. Then end amount basically will be that amount whatever you have PNL for that month. So you don't have any PNL for month of January, so that's why end amount for month of January is the same. Similarly, for the month start in the February will be the same amount as it will be as it will be the end amount for the month of January. So end amount was 10,000, so it is 10,000. Then we have the end amount for month of Feb. It is 16,150 because you have 6,150 is in the PNL positive. So start amount for the month of March will be end amount for the month of Feb. Similarly, PNL, and as you don't have PNL further, so your amount gets stuck here. So this is shown in the dashboard in this graph. Okay, change PNL. Basically, this is PNL for each month. This is percentage change PNL for each of the month. As you can see from the previous month, what was the change? What was the change? It was for the against the month of January, it was 61.5%. As the starting is 10,000, so basically 6150 makes the 61.5%, and so on. So you can check that. And then total PNL. What is the total PNL over entire data that you have is the 9,930. Overall change is the 27.97% from the basically 10,000 amount. And then you have total payout. So how the overall change is being calculated? Overall being calculated from here, as it is 161%, 16%, 6% for 3 months. So basically we get 27.97. This plus this divided by 3, we get 27.97%. And then the total payout. What was the total payout that you have entered here? Is this amount. Total number of trades that are entered into the journal, these are 26. So as per your request, you wanted to have win and loss for each strategy. So for trend or for counter trend, you have this strategy. You can select any month, so it will change accordingly as per your request. So this is the trend for all the months, so that's why this month filter or month slicer is not connected to this graph. Similarly, this month is not connected to this, as it shows all over the months in it. Whatever the monthly chart you can see here, this month slicer is not connected to those, but year slicer is connected to all of those. So month slicer is basically connected to this one, win and loss total. This month is not connected to this win and loss total, because this shows the total trade or the total portfolio. And SNFTP, this shows basically this is connected to the month. As you can see, if you select month, so it will be changing. And also buy and sell percent, this is also connected to months, so it will be changing. What is your account balance? It was starting 10,000, then in the Feb it is also 10,000, but and in the March basically you had 16,150, as you can see here. This basically it shows the starting amount for each of the months. Basically it shows the starting amount for each of the month, but if you want, it can show the end amount for each of the month if you like so. Okay, but I think it should be end amount for each of the month, but you can let me know. And then those two tables are there for max duration, for mean duration, and for each of the month they are shown here, because you have data for Feb, March and April, so it shows max for duration this, mean duration this, and what are those trades. And also and this graph has been added as net. So net basically what is covered, it shows in the pivot, if you see, net is being calculated like this. So it shows total end amount for each of the month minus payout, what is your payout. So this shows the net, and this data is shown into this graph. Okay, so to please check the calculations. I think they are pretty much simple, and you can check those. And this is how you will see your entire dashboard. Okay, so please check the file, check the data. After you have checked those, you can simply unhide this, or you can simply show this. So let me hide it, so you can unhide that. You click here, you click unhide, you can unhide this pivot, and it will be shown. So please see this file and let me know what is your response. So if you need any other change, please let me know. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.